everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special that's perfect for capturing those spontaneous, joyful moments. The FUJIFILM Instax Mini 12 Instant Film Camera 2024 Holiday Bundle, specifically in that absolutely charming lilac purple. This isn't just a camera, it's an entire experience packed into one delightful package, making it an incredible option for anyone looking to give or receive the gift of instant memories this holiday season. The Instax Mini 12 itself is a fantastic little device. It's designed with simplicity and fun in mind, making it incredibly user-friendly for all ages. Its automatic exposure feature means you don't have to fuss with settings. The camera intelligently adjusts to capture bright, vibrant photos every time. Plus, the built-in close-up mode is a brilliant addition, allowing for perfect selfies and detailed shots of smaller subjects without any extra lens attachments. The optical viewfinder with target spot makes framing your shots intuitive, ensuring you get exactly what you see. But what truly elevates this offering is the holiday bundle aspect. Fujifilm has really thought of everything here. Right out of the box, you're not just getting the camera, you're equipped to start snapping. It includes a stylish, small travel bag, which is essential for protecting your beautiful new camera from bumps and scratches while you're on the go. No one wants their precious gear getting damaged, and this bag ensures it stays safe and sound. Then there's the cleaning kit, a small but mighty addition that helps maintain the camera's lens and body, ensuring your photos remain crisp and clear for years to come. And let's talk about film. This bundle comes with 2 packs of FUJIFILM Instax Mini Instant Film, totaling a generous 40 sheets. That's enough to kickstart countless memories without needing an immediate trip to the store for supplies. It means the fun begins the moment you unbox it. Finally, the inclusion of 4 AA batteries along with a charger is a thoughtful touch. This not only saves you money on disposable batteries in the long run, but also ensures your camera is always ready for action. It's an eco-friendly and convenient solution that adds significant value to the entire package. Overall, this FUJIFILM Instax Mini 12 Holiday Bundle in lilac purple is more than just a camera. It's a complete, ready-to-use memory-making kit. It's perfect for parties, travel, everyday adventures, or simply as a charming decorative piece. For anyone seeking a fun, easy-to-use instant camera with all the essential accessories included, especially as a gift, this bundle is an absolute standout. It truly delivers on convenience, value, and pure photographic joy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.